Hindi ako makapagsalita ng maayos. But anyway, today is Monday. Anong date pa today? Hindi ko alam kung anong date today, but yes, they have a summer camp to attend to. I'm gonna explain it later, guys, kasi hindi talaga ako makapagsalita ng maayos. I just woke up. I need my coffee first. She's still sleepy. And Callie, why are you there? Eh, what atik-atik, stretch. Hulugan kag something, no? No. Guys, alam niyo tong dog na to, guys. She's waiting. Kasi ito lang yung batang gusto maghulog ng food nito eh. Si daddy ayaw. Don't put food on the floor. Mag-ilis na ko. Tapos magpugong si Mongbok. Hindi lamos ka? Sunscreen. But this is very light, so you don't feel anything. So nothing will happen to your face. Okay, you will be doing outdoor activities today. Okay. We're leaving. 7:35. Yash, I'll adjust your bag. I'll do that. Mamadali mo, guys. Yeah, I'm coming. You ready?
At some point,
you're ready to leave home? You're ready to leave Daddy and me?
11.
Because you will be in college now?
11? College?
No, not 11. Maybe 5 years from now? 6, 7? Oh, well,
she's
wait.
11,
So 7
years.
7 years?
Ati 5 years.
Ati 5 years.
7 years, she'll be probably finishing high school.
Oh. So what does it tells us? My husband says like it's better to have kids early. So you will enjoy your 40s though when your kids left home for college. Handa naman tadapit.
They could decide they want to stay in Bryan to go to school.
Yeah.
A bunch of programs at Blinn. And if they want to go to college, they've got Texas A&M, College Station, and they have the Rellis campus, which...
Rellis and A&M are two different
Rellis has a bunch of degree programs from other universities that are in the Texas A&M universities.
We are here already. Oh, beautiful here. It's very quiet. So quiet here. Huh? Baho. Malamang it's a farm. Wow, is that your horse, babe?
Yes.
She's very beautiful.
That's Tiffy. Yeah.
Hi.
So, yeah.
Man, I'm glad there was no. I was getting ready to ask you if there was
Uh-huh.
electric in this fence.
So it is electric. I was just saying that. It should be.
They're
on
eating
different-
feeds, I think, Yashti.
My hand against
Yeah,
it. It
don't-
didn't shock me.
Don't
But I'm not going to
think
test
it's gonna not shock you the next time.
Right,
If
right.
it does pulse.
Hi, horsey.
Um,
What's her name, babe?
Tiffany.
Tiffany.
Oh, yeah, let's make a mess. This
that's-
has electricity.
Okay, don't touch.
That's for
Tiffany, hello. Again, hello. They have big body. The chicken is.
so well with 14 fish. Took probably like close to 8 of those kids on her back. 'Cause no one
Go, Yashli.
He's only had 60 days of training.
Tiffany's a beautiful horse. And that's the best thing you can say about it. It's the look.
Oops. This one is really cute. They call this pony? Pony horse? Hi, horsey. You're so tiny. I like you. There's cats there. Oh, ito yung mga favorite ni Yashti. And, yeah. Farm to, guys. Kaya ganito. Parang hacienda, kumbaga. We have to leave kasi kailangan dalhin ni Belle si mom sa ano, for the, ano daw yung blood test. Yung horse ni Belle, oh, andyan. That's Belle's horse, by the way. Pinakita ko kanina. Why did he cover the eye?
Flies.
Flies?
Yeah. The
Ah.
flies, get around their eyes.
Okay. Bye, horse. We are home, guys. Belle has to take mom to the clinic. Anyway, ito yung mga seeds na pinlant ko. This is zinnia, by the way. Ayan, lumaki na siya. I planted this one like 2 weeks ago, I think. Ayan, I'm looking forward. Kailangan ko siguro lagyan ng fertilizer na. It's sunny. Tingnan nyo, guys. Diba sa Pinas, this one is just parang mayana man sa Pilipinas, no? But here in the US, they actually like treat this as a plant. Flower, kinda. Ayan. So, a little bit of update. Ito pala is, I planted a dwarf na sunflower here sa ating front. And meron ako mga seeds dyan. Actually, seedlings na sila. Nag-grow na eh. Malaki na oh. I forgot. This is, I had mixed red and blue salvia flower here. And, ang gardenia na ako, guys. It's getting bigger. And by the way, ito yung binili namin sa College Station ni Belle. Like, nagpunta kami, I think that was 3 weeks ago. So, this one is Earth Angel Climbing Rose. Lumiit siya kasi I pruned them. Isa lang pala to. I pruned it. And, ayan, tumubo na siya. So, it sure na buhay na to, guys. And this one, nakakalimutan ko yung pangalan ng flower na to. And this one is hydrangea. Patay din to nung dumating. In-order ko online from Walmart. But I pruned it and now look. Taran! Meron ng tumutubo na bagong dahon. So that's a very good indication na buhay ang plant na to. Which is really good. I'm looking forward. Magandang bulaklak to, guys. It's white. Mom and Belle. Belle and Mom left already. So, I'm doing... I have to label this one, guys, because I have to return 2 items. And this one is from Shein. Paano ko ba ito yan? Kailangan siya ibalik ko siya kasi yung size nito, ito yung sandal nung nakaraan. Malaki. And I couldn't wear it at all. Sobrang laki niya. Kumat yung bagay. Oh baby, oops, I won't i-take ko na lang. Ito din yung shorts ni Belle. Pinili ko sa Amazon na hindi siya kasya. Malaki pala sa kanya yung size. So, yung asawa ko told me na doesn't wanna wear this anymore kasi malaki nga yung size guys. And then, I need to print out, asan yung phone ko? Label. Kasi, ibabalik namin siya. We will be going to College Station, Amazon office or outlet, whatever. Babalik namin siya doon. And, nakabili ulit ako. Ang bilis ng shipping ng Amazon, honestly. Sobrang bilis. So, bumili akong pampalit ng shorts na yan. And, bumili akong dalawa na size na talaga ng asawa ko. Yung binili ko, guys. So, dumating siya kahapon. Ang bilis kasi in-order ko siya Friday. What is today? Today is Monday. So, in-order ko siya Saturday. Dumating siya agad kahapon. And I'm like very amazed. Kasi, like, ang bilis ng shipping ng Amazon, guys. Well, maybe because nandyan lang yung binili ko malapit siguro. But, yeah, I got him the same short. Ito yun, yung ibabalik natin. Same color, same brand from Wrangler, but yung size niya. Iniba ko. And then, hello. I got him two pairs. Dalawa na yung binili ko para kasi, like I said before, guys, yung asawa ko para siyang si Robin Padilla siguro, parang si Robin Padilla. Like, na-remember ko kasi yung si Mariel na, like, yung asawa niya, like, kahit pag bigyan mo lang yan ng t-shirt from, whatever, susuotin. Yan lang yung susuotin, paulit-ulit. Ganyan po yung asawa ko, guys. Actually, kaya niyang bumili, pero ayaw niyang bumili. So, ako na. Mapipilitan yan magsuot kasi binili ko. So, yeah, I got two color. This one is, I think this one is khaki brown. I have no idea what color it is. But I really love seeing my husband wearing this kind of short. Like, it's a cargo shirt. Short. And I really love looking at him. Like, for me, he's the sexiest man ever. Kasi nung first time namin nag-meet, guys, like, first time, 2022, when I first saw him, when I first met him, he's wearing, like, shorts. Hala ka sexy man sa akong bana. Sexy kayo, super. So, yeah, this one, I think this one is brown, khaki. Hindi ko alam kung anong kulay yan, but, yeah, I got him two color. Gray, and then this one. Happy Father's Day. Hindi nagsiselebrate yung asawa ko, guys. Ayaw niya mag-celebrate ng mga ganyan. So, oo nga, I forgot. I need to go back to Five Below as well kasi babalik ko yung item na binili ko doon. Yung phone case. So, 3 location yung pupuntahan namin para lang mag-return ng item. This one, hopefully, ito na talaga yon. Kasi naghahanap talaga ako ng yan. Ay! Ganito ba? MagSafe. Na case for my phone. Kasi yung phone ko, guys, asa na ba yung phone ko? Nawala na yung phone ko. Matagal na tong phone case na to and it's turning yellow. Walang phone case na mag-stay white or stay yung color niya, magti-change talaga yan ng yellowish thing. So, nag-yellow na siya. So, I was like, I'm gonna buy another one. Para may bago naman tingnan yung ating phone case. Yan. Perfect! Yeah, perfect. That's really good. Just lipat ko tong aking handle. Gusto kasi merong ganito kasi easier for me to just hold my phone pag meron akong ganito. So, I have to finish cleaning. Kasi mabilis lang yun sila Mom and Belle. She needs to, blood work again. Paulit-ulit na lang yung blood work niya. Kukuhanan na naman siya ng dugo. But it will be fast. It will not take long. And by the way, if you're asking why si Ashley lang yung nagpunta sa camp, horse riding, daming ganap for Ashley today. Siya lang nagpunta sa camp, that's because they are only allowing children like until 12 years old. So, Nicole is 13, so hindi na siya pwede. So, only Ashley allowed. Nakakasad nga kasi it would be nice if Nicole can experience like horse riding as well. Para ma-experience niya ba. But I'm sure, hindi kami nagstay ng matagal kasi nga kailangan namin si ma'am. Kailangan ni Belle dalhin si ma'am sa clinic. But that is 5 days of camp. So, babalik ulit kami tomorrow. And then, I was like telling Belle, like, maybe it would be nice if we're gonna stay a little bit more. Kasi earlier, I was only able to like film Ashley like doing the bow. But I don't have any video of her or picture of her riding a horse yet. But Belle told me, like, since it's a 5-day camp, so we could be able to, like, you know, I could take photo of her next day, tomorrow, I guess. I hope. We're here picking up Ashley, guys. How was your experience first day? Tell me about it. How was the horse ride? I want to hear. Ashley, I want to hear your horse ride. She doesn't want to share her experience today. I like the donkey though. That's a very small.
Pony man na.
Ay, donkey. Pony. There's a pony. This is so cute pony. Oh, they're teaching her how to make bracelet. Show me.
Suota.
Made of guma.
Suota.
Guot man inako kay good.
Oy, mustard siya na.
Wow.
Kani kang ate kada ko magkayang ka mo.
Did you ride?
Yeah, she
ate!
used.
I
Huh?
mean, mama.
What?
Hmm?
What is it?
So,
What happened?
when I ride the horse and I ride Stephanie.
You rode Tiffany.
Yeah.
Oh wow, Daddy's horse. Okay.
But she was stubborn. Yes.
She's old.
Because my
She's stubborn.
She's not
Huh? Jennifer. Stephanie.
What?
Tiffany.
Tiffany.
Like Starfire.
The girl who's a helper. Okay. One of them.
She was the one who helped me. And
Okay.
then when we were about to go to the tiny bridge, Stephanie tried to avoid you going to the bridge.
She doesn't
Right.
want to walk in the bridge.
And
Okay.
then when we tried again to go to the bridge, she didn't go to the bridge because she was
Scared,
kinda
maybe?
stubborn.
Or maybe scared.
Because she said that she don't like the bridge. The helper said that Stephanie doesn't like the bridge.
Maybe she's scared. We stopped by here at Sam's, guys. Bumili si Belle ng pizza. Lagay natin dito.
For me.
For Ashley lang kasi gutom siya. And then, yeah, bumili si Belle ng pizza sa Sam's. Pumasok sa, actually, from the farm, kung saan si Ashley nag-ano na kanyang, ano yun? Horseback riding? Horseback riding. So, we pick her up and then after that, we drove here sa Sam's kasi kailangan ng gas yung car. And then, we stopped by here sa store kasi itong isa nag-request ng pizza kasi nagutom. I'm sure she is really tired from this event today, but I guess she's enjoying it. Gusto ko nga, I told wala kay rest. I told Daddy na I should be the one who's signed up kay mag-enjoy ko. I haven't ride a horse. Nakasakay ba ako horse before? I forgot. But yeah. And later, kasi dala ko na yung mga i-return ko, guys. We will stop by the Amazon hub. Close lang naman dito. And also sa USPS. Kasi meron din akong i-return sa Shein.
UPS?
USPS.
UPS.
Postal na lang. How lucky! Kaingon ko one slice only. You got her a box. Is that only for you?
No, so big.
Huh?
It's so big.
It's so big. How big?
Slice.
Ah, the slice? How they slice it? They only slice it by 4 instead of 8. You know? 4 only?
Yeah.
We are in Amazon. Help me with this. Show me your outfit. Kay wala ka na ako naturungang video ganiha. Oh, wow. I like it. Jumper girl. Naunsa man imong jacket? What happened? What did you eat? Ni, a dirty.
Magaling na.
Magaling. Guys, meron po siyang gustong kunin. That's why lumalapit sa akin at nagpa-sweet-sweet. Yuck, your feet is so dirty. Ew.
It's not. No.
It's not. It's not. It's not. Dancer ka?
Got at work.
Shh. Yuck. Kabalo ko kay kahula muna kayo na siya sa iyang laptop. Pag-ilis change. I like your outfit. Guys, so she's so happy today because when we left to drop off Yashli to the farm earlier, she was asleep. When we came back, she's still asleep. When Belle and I left to pick up Yashli, she was still asleep. 12 noon.
Hey, matong ko 11. 15.
Gahagong pagyapon ka.
Ayaw.
Ow! What is that? What do you want to do? Not my camera. You
No,
don't
I
have
need to use it.
No, you are filming games. I have one camera there. Also, pocket toys there. We didn't use it all. You can use that one, but you have to be very careful. Not it up under. You need to use the tripod for that. Okay, it doesn't come with tripod. Or I think that has extra. This one. Will you vlog using this one? Tula. Yeah, I didn't use this for a long time.
I'm so proud I have 45 followers now.
Oy, I never used this one for a long time. This was the camera I have before when I was still in the Philippines. 76% you have to. Yeah, that's the camera. So when you film, you tuplok that. That one is gonna move backward, upward. There you go. So if you're gonna if you want to
May-zoom up.
ay, naka-zoom siya. Wait lang, naglisod na ko ani.
Daro.
Kaya nga, but there's a settings for that. But zoom down. So, I have no idea what setting for zoom.
Daro.
This one? Sige lang hayang kay sigig lang taw salida.
Kita disappointed siya?
Diba, og dili mo i-adtuan. Share with you guys a little bit, no? Kasi may ginawa ako dito. It was raining yesterday, so I couldn't be able to do things from the yard. But today, very good weather. It's very sunny. And ngayon lang ako lumabas. That's because it's 7:30. And right now, it feels like 5 in the afternoon. So, ngayon, it's like yung araw, palubog na siya. So, which means hindi na siya like sobrang init. But I'll show you what I am doing. And by the way, these gloves, ito yung kasama sa set na binigay ni Ma'am Ami sa akin. And then here, ito kasi yung project na ginawa ko. Guys, grabe, ang bilis tumubo. Ayan, oh. So, this one, I was like getting like yung grasses here. These are all emptied. Wala na yung grass kasi kinuha ko na. And may nilagay ako ditong mga ano guys, ano tawag nito, like compost. Anyway, so this area kasi tinanim ko nga yung rose sa front yard to na rose guys. Sabi ng asawa ko, tanggalin mo na lahat ng sads. Like all the grass I already removed, and here it is. So all these grasses will goes to our other properties. Wow, maka properties, the other house. So dun kasi guys, yung bahay na yun walang grass. Merong grass pero mas marami ang mga weeds doon kaysa grasses. So sabi namin, instead of buying grasses or sods kasi sobrang mahal dito yung grass. So, eto, binugkal para malipat namin doon. So, dadali namin yan doon, guys. But for now, itatanim ko to. This one, I cannot remember kung ano yung pangalan ng plant na to, but I have no idea. Basta I just found this Lowe's last time nung nagpunta kami ni husband. Anyway, ginagamit ko na yung mga binigay ni Ma'am Ami sa akin na mga ganito. Asan na yung isa? Ito, sobrang gamit niya, guys. Actually, naisip pa naman ni husband na bilhan akong ganyan na set. Pero nung nalaman niya, bilhan ako ni Ma'am Ami, binigyan ako ni Ma'am Ami siya. So, hindi na niya tinuloy. Thank you, Ma'am Ami. As in, magagamit ko talaga siya. Sobrang gamit niya. And I can use it for so many things. Here. It will make my work easy. And ang hirap dito, guys. That's why sobrang, like, every time talaga pag nagpunta kaming Lowe's, we always buy soil. Kasi tingnan nyo naman. Look how yung soil nila dito, it's sandy or ano ba tawag ito? Like parang sandy slash may pagka ano bang tawag nito? Sandy and hindi ko siya ma-explain. Makapit, makapot. May pagka-clay din. So, hindi talaga siya healthy for plants. That's why sobrang ang dami ko nang naubos or ang dami ko na pong soil na nabili sa Lowe's. Paulit-ulit. Kasi kailangan ko ng soil all the time. And sobrang laki na ng gastos ko when it comes to garden. Yeah, he's happy with the result kasi may nakikita na siya mga flower dito. Yung nauna kong na tanim na dito. There are flowers na. So, nakaka-happy siya tingnan. And yung asawa ko, masaya na rin na nakikita niya na meron na talagang bulaklak.